English is the most widely used language in the world, but most learners spend years studying it and still struggle to speak confidently. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or unsure how to improve your English, stay with me, because today I'm going to show you the methods that actually work and the mistakes that hold people back. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Maria, and I help learners around the world improve their English in simple, practical, and enjoyable ways. Today's video is all about how to learn English effectively as a speaker of another language. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, these strategies will help you make real progress. Let's get started. English isn't just a school subject. It's a global tool. It's the language of international business, travel, technology, science, entertainment, and everyday communication online. But here's the important part. You don't need perfect English. You need functional English. Most learners think they must speak like a native speaker. This is not true. You just need to communicate clearly. Once you understand that, learning becomes much easier and much more enjoyable. Let me tell you the number one mistake I see. Learners study English, but they don't use English. They memorize grammar rules. They study vocabulary lists. They do exercises in a book, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because language is a skill, not a subject. You can't learn to swim by reading about swimming. You have to get in the water. The same is true for English. Let me share a quick story. I once worked with a learner who had studied English for 10 years. 10 years of classes, exams, and textbooks. But she couldn't hold a simple conversation, so we changed her approach. Instead of memorizing grammar, she started watching English cooking videos because she loved cooking. She repeated phrases out loud. She practiced speaking for just 5 minutes a day. 3 months later, she was having full conversations. The lesson is simple. You don't need more time. You need the right method. Let's break a few myths that stop learners from improving. Myth 1. You must live in an English-speaking country. No, most fluent learners never leave their home country. Exposure matters more than location. Myth 2. You need perfect grammar before you speak. No, children speak before they know grammar. Adults can too. Myth 3. You need a huge vocabulary. No. The 1,000 most common English words cover most everyday conversations. Myth 4. Some people are naturally good at languages. No one is born fluent. Fluency is built through habits, not talent. 1. Immersion. You can do at home. You don't need to travel, you just need English around you. Try English podcasts while cooking, Netflix with English subtitles, changing your phone to English, following English creators. Small habits create big results. 2. Speak early, speak often. Don't wait until you feel ready. You'll never feel ready. Try recording yourself. Repeating phrases from videos. Joining conversation groups. Practicing with a partner. Speaking is a muscle. Use it and it grows. 3. Learn through what you love. This is the secret to long-term motivation. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos. Gaming, follow gaming channels. Travel, watch travel vlogs. When the topic is interesting, the language becomes easier. 4. Use structured learning for clarity. Immersion is great, but structure matters too. A good learning plan includes grammar explained simply, useful vocabulary, real-life examples, short, daily practice. This combination creates fast, steady progress. 5. Be consistent, even 10 minutes a day. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small steps, repeated often, create fluency. English is not about perfection. It's about connection, confidence, and communication. If you use the methods we talked about today, immersion, speaking, meaningful content, structure, and consistency, you will improve. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. If you want to keep improving your English, don't leave yet. I've created a full playlist of lessons, tips, and real-life English practice that will help you step by step. I update these regularly. So after this video, click on the playlist on your screen and continue learning with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to hit the subscribe.